Okay, so you've heard the forecast. Now it's up to Mother Nature to deliver what she is going to do. And no one is going to be watching the progression of the storm more closely than Ron and the entire team of meteorologists here at KDKA.
Our job is to try to get things as right as possible, as right as we possibly can.
To be 1000% honest, each and every meteorologist is their own worst critic.
Everybody wants to get it right.
As the snow starts to fly, do you sit there with your nose against the window?
So you can bet that every hour on the hour, I'll be checking the radar, peeking outside.
So you just kind of have to, at that point, take out the Xbox, play some video games, do something where you can kind of relax.
And during the whole event, I'll have one eye on the radar and one eye on the window. That's why I'll look cross-eyed.
So yeah, you're like, ugh. And thankfully I don't bite my nails, or I probably wouldn't have any more.
I would imagine when you get it right, you want to do an end zone dance.
There is certainly a strut that goes on. So it's like a scoop hole and you walk in.
We could do it from here up on Zoom.
But don't be fooled. They take this very seriously.
And at the end of the day, you kind of walk away, you look at what happened, where you were good, where you were bad, and you try to improve for the next one.
Yeah, meteorologist Mary Hours, who, by the way, is on vacation this week, told me by phone yesterday, and I'm sure the others are getting this too, that everybody she knows has been texting her, calling her, even asking her husband to find out from Mary, how much snow are we going to get? When is it going to start? Well, now it's all up to Mother Nature.